Alright, so every day there is this pirate ship that we can see out the hotel. I think it's some sort of booze cruise or something, but basically it'll fire cannons into the sky when they leave. There it is. It's pretty ridiculous. It just sets out to sea and then comes back like 4 hours later. Must be some sort of dinner and drinking, pillaging, plundering, something or other. Anyways, it's become kind of a nice wake-up call from our naps, that cannon firing. So figured we should capture it and get a little closer. Even flying the old Jolly Roger. Seems to be a popular thing.